about how to balance redox equation. So before balancing the redox equation, first of all, we'll solve the one exercise that how to separate the redox equation into oxidation half reaction and reduction half reaction. We have three examples. These three are redox equations. We have to separate the reduction half reaction and oxidation half reaction based on oxidation number concept. Now I'll start the first exercise. First of all, we have to write the redox equation as given. Then write down the oxidation state or oxidation number of each atoms in a redox equation. So phosphorus in a free state, oxidation state is 0. Here, to calculate the oxidation state of phosphorus by looking out the overall algebraic sum of polyatomic ion, that is oxygen 4, so it's coming to be -8, remove 3, that is -5, so oxidation number of phosphorus is +5. We know it's a -2. Here oxidation state of hydrogen is +1. Now calculate the oxidation state of phosphorus. Now it's coming out to be -6, remove 2, so it's become +4. Here -2. So first of all, you have to write we have to write the oxidation state of all the atoms in this way. Now look at or identify the increase in oxidation number and decrease in oxidation number in the process. Look at here, the phosphorus in the reactants oxidation state is 0, change to +4. So here the reaction is called, as the oxidation number increases, the reaction is called oxidation. Okay, so we have to write the equation oxidation half reaction, that is here phosphorus whose oxidation state is 0, change to the oxidation state of phosphorus +4 in HPO3 2-. This reaction is oxidation half reaction. Look at the another one. Here the phosphorus whose oxidation state is +5 in the reactant is changed to the oxidation state of phosphorus in the product +4. So here oxidation number decreases, therefore this reaction is reduction. So we call reduction half reaction. So you have to write the reduction half reaction. So PO4 3- change to HPO3 2-. This reaction is reduction half reaction. Similarly, we have to take the second exercise. You have to write the second equation. HNO2 change to NO3- plus NO gas. Now write down all the oxidation state of all the atoms, that is hydrogen +1, oxygen -2, so nitrogen become, now you can see you have to calculate the oxidation state of nitrogen with the help of the oxidation state given to the hydrogen and oxygen. So here -4 and here +1, so it becomes +3. So nitrogen oxidation state or oxidation number is +3. Here it's to be 5, here -2, similarly here +2, here -2. Okay, now we have to separate them as the nitrogen changes its oxidation state +3 to +5. Here oxidation state is increased, so it's called as oxidation half reaction. Whereas here the oxidation state of nitrogen changes from +3 to +2. Here the number is decrease, so reaction is reduction half reaction. You have to write down separately as the nitrogen whose oxidation is +3 is changes to NO3 minus. This is called as oxidation half reaction. And you have to write the another one, that is the nitrogen whose oxidation state is changes from +3 to NO as +2. This is called as reduction half reaction. Now the third example, look at here. To calculate the oxidation state or oxidation number of all the items in a redox equation, now here manganese oxidation state is calculated to be as, look at 4 oxygen, so total -8, remove 2, it become -6, so oxidation state is +6, here -2, here oxidation state is +4, here -2. Similarly, oxidation state in MnO4 minus is +7, is -2. Now separate them as reduction and oxidation. So manganese whose oxidation state is changes from +6 to +4, that is oxidation number decreases, so reaction is called reduction half reaction. Whereas the oxidation state of manganese changes from +6 to +7, so oxidation number increases, the reaction is called oxidation half reaction. Now we have to write separately as manganese in MnO4 2- changes to manganese in MnO4-. This reaction is oxidation half reaction. In second, that manganese in MnO4 2- changes to MnO2. This is called reduction half reaction. In this way, we can separate the oxidation half equation and reduction half equation with the help of oxidation number concept by knowing the atomic number of all the atoms in the equation, whereas the species, it's increasing the oxidation number from reactant to the product, as well as decreasing the oxidation number from reactant to the product. So we can separate them as the oxidation reduction reaction. Now we'll move on to the next part to balance the redox equation. Okay.